Setting up voicemail on your iPhone is quick and easy. This feature lets callers leave you messages when you can't answer. Start by unlocking your iPhone. Open the phone app from your home screen. At the bottom, tap on the voicemail tab. If this is your first time, you will see a setup option. Tap on Setup Now to begin. You will be asked to create a voicemail password. Enter a secure password you can remember. Then confirm the password again. Tap Done to continue. Next, you will see greeting options. You can choose a default greeting or create your own. Select Custom Greeting for a personal touch. Tap the record button to start recording. Speak clearly into your phone. You can say your name and a short message. When finished, tap Stop. Play back the recording to review it. If you like it, tap Save. Your voicemail is now set up. To test it, call your number from another phone. Let the call go to voicemail. Leave a short test message. Now return to your voicemail tab. You should see the new message. Tap it to play the audio. If you can hear it clearly, everything is working. Your voicemail is now ready to use. You will receive messages whenever you miss calls. This makes it easy to stay connected. And that's how you set up voicemail on your iPhone.